this is Dale, and this is my market insight for Thursday, March 17. Well, first of all, I want to talk a little bit about the indicators and what I'm looking for when I'm looking for a market turnaround. And the first thing I follow is the regression channel. The regression line is calculated by 50% of the price being above and 50% being below. The green line here is the plus or minus 1 standard deviation, and the gold line is plus or minus 2 standard deviation. Now what this means is that the price, 66% of the price will be contained within this line, this channel, and about 95% of all prices will be contained within this channel. It's kind of like the casing of a sausage. That casing will hold most of the meat. Now, yeah, occasionally you get an outlier, but it's going to snap back. You almost look at this purple line here, the regression line, as being a large magnet. The further out it goes, the further it just pulls it back, and most times it snaps back through here and goes to the other side, then it snaps down and down. When it gets down around these areas, this is a great time when it's oversold to get a call and become bullish. And you can see that we were bullish here and we were bullish down here, and we've had a tremendous run to the upside. This has been a very profitable period for anybody that's been following the market. Now, at this point in time, we're getting up pretty close to some of the previous highs we had in December, and even going back as far as November. I don't know if it's going to get that far. That's pushing up around the +2. But one thing we know is when it gets up around this area, it's going to have a hard time pushing through. And when it's up here, there's a good chance that it's going to fall back. For right now, we remain bullish. The other thing that I'm watching here is the ribbon. This is the 5, the 8, and the 13-day exponential moving average line. And I call this the Fibonacci Ribbon. Usually the 5 and the 8 are excellent support when you've got a bull run, and that's exactly what's happened here. It has pulled back here a little bit, but then it pushes on up. Look how it touches here, and it just keeps on going. So this is a good indication, and as long as it stays above this 13-day, I'm going to stay with it all the way. Like I said, we're going to come into some resistance. Then I come over here to the shorter term chart to see how we're doing, and right now I'm projecting that it's possibly going to go as high as the 205, and that's, like I said, pushing right around this area here. And at that point in time, we maybe are going to have a little correction. But I foresee that tomorrow and maybe the early portion of next week, we're going to be okay, and the bull run is going to continue. After that, we better be watching very closely, because this bull run might be over, and if it is, it's going to turn around and head south. And that's my market insight for tonight, Thursday. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Come on back on Sunday. Bye-bye now.